Hello guys, my name is Tej. Today we are going to see how to do keying in Nuke. So what is meant by keying? Keying is nothing but manipulating an image. So what is meant by manipulating? To remove green screen or blue screen from the video. So let's see an example here. So guys, you can see down here in my note graph, you can see I'm attaching a footage to my viewer. So I'm playing this footage now. And now there is a vault is opening right now. So it is opening. So when it is open, everything is blank. It is green. So we need to manipulate this image now. So how do we manipulate? By using keying. So let's choose some keying techniques now. So let's use some keying techniques. So we have many keys. So when we go to the key properties, you can see chroma clear, cryptomate, difference, hue here, Ibk, color and gizmo, and key light, premate, and LT. So, uh, so today we are going to see how to use IBK color, IBKs. So first I'm pressing tab and importing my IBK Gizmo and IBK color. So for now I'm keeping it this side now. I'm connecting this. After connecting to this IBK, it takes some time to buffer. So now we can see here properties panel, my IBK color properties display. So make it screen type blue to green. Yeah, we can see here now the whole green screen is going to appear. So make the size little bit down. You can see the clear image of the screen with no blurs. Some dark greenish light. So we can take another gizmo, copy paste to this size. It's black. Let's see here, patch black. See now we can see a whole a green screen has been appear. Now we need to add this IBK Gizmo. IBK Gizmo C to the IBK color. Make it C green. Let's see here, patch black. See now we can see a whole a green screen has been appear. Now we need to add this IBK Gizmo. IBK Gizmo C to the IBK color. make it see green, then see everything is gone. See, we had got a perfect key color. See, now you can see here there is nothing alpha channels on this here, little bit alpha, so we can increase with red and white. Increase auto level, sure. So if you guys see, it almost alpha is gone inside this block cell, inside this wall. So let's remove the alpha mode and see everything is good. A perfect keying has done now. So what we can do now inside? So we can add a wall. So we can add a room inside. So we can take an image. So I have already imported this. Take an image. So they can merge like this background. This background. Kind of this here. Like 1280720, and the picture format size is 540 and 360. So we need to match the both format size. We're gonna use reformat now. So in the reformat, make this 1080720. And one down. Let me check here once. Which is format 120, age is 1720. No, it's perfect. Guys, if you can see now, this is what my Kia. This is what I said earlier. Keying is nothing but manipulating an image. So we just manipulated a green screen footage into a blank wall. So you can see here now, when this wall is going open, you can see a room in the wall, inside the wall. Let's see, the door is opening now, and boom. Now this is what Kias can do, guys. So this is what about Ibk Color and Ibk Gizmo. So in the next topic, we are going to see how to use chroma and other keys, chroma, keyer, and premade. So we can see other keys how we can use that. So this is for it, guys. Please like and share and subscribe. Bye bye.